Hi there, Annyeong. Welcome to Toy Princess. Today we're opening 6 Thomas & Friends mini blind bags. Here's some of the trains we've already opened and found. They're so much fun. I love the mini Thomas & Friends. Let's open our blind bags and see what we've got. Our first bag. They all come with this great flyer to keep track of your collection. And it shows the different types you get, like Classic, Racer, Chillin', Heroes. So many different ones. And we have Percy. This is my first Percy, yay! I'm so excited to get number 6 Green Train Percy. Toot toot! Ooh, we've got Gator, and this is a Robo Gator. So all the Robo paintwork ones have dinosaurs on them. For some reason, I'm not sure why, they're robots. It's pretty cool. Let's see what our next engine's gonna be. It's Scarlery. I already have this one. That's okay, it's pretty cool. There are ways to try and get different ones using the codes on the bags. So like here, but they don't always match. Sometimes the code on the bottom of your train is different to the code on the bag. So you get double ups. That's alright. And Thomas Heroes. Again, I already have this one. Oh, the code matches. It's okay, this Thomas is so cool. It's like Superman Thomas. Da-da, da-da. Oh, see? We have it right here. Two more blind bags. And we have Millie. Again, I have this one. Not doing too well on the new ones this time. Millie's still pretty cool with her gold and blue paintwork. And our last bag, fingers crossed it's a new one. Oh, it is! We have Diesel. This is Classic Diesel. Classic black paintwork. He's nice square face. Isn't it cool? From these 6 blind bags, I got 3 new ones. Percy, Diesel, and Gator. And 3 double ups with Thomas Heroes, Millie, and Scarlery. I don't mind getting double ups though, because they're still so much fun to play with. Join them all together. Just drive them all around. I hope you enjoyed watching today's Toy Princess with my Thomas blind bags opening. Join me again soon for more videos. Bye!